Hey everyone, it's Lily's Touch again. This is a quick technique that I started doing on my personal wigs. Hopefully, you guys like the idea. Have you ever had a wig that was too big for your head and you have a small head, an egg head? That's me. So I didn't get a chance to show you guys how big this cap was on my head. So what I did was put the wig on my head, fit it perfectly how I would like it to be, and then I folded the excess cap that I am going to cut off on the inside, but I pinned them on the outside. You guys gonna see exactly how I did it once I flip this wig over. I wish I had a white thread, then it would look nicer, but you guys get the point. So if you are using blonde hair or colored hair, it would be best to use the same color thread so that the thread doesn't show through on the other side. You guys want to see what I mean when I flip the wig over. I want you guys to pay close attention to what I'm doing on top. You don't go too far up so that the lace on top don't get bulky when you put it on. You actually trying to stay at least an inch away from the lace area. And do you see how I'm angling the needle to go up? Yes, you closing it up like that so that you don't get a fold on top. I just realized that I took the pins out already from the other side just so I could have a nice fold on this side, and that's how I had it to stay flat, by pinning it on this side too. So I took the pins out already on the other side, but I hope you guys understand what I meant about sizing it first on your head and pinning it on the other side before you flip it over to this side. Be careful as you are cutting the excess lace. You are gonna experience some of the tracks of the hair coming off. That's okay. And just make sure you cut as close to the stitches as you can so that it won't be so bulky in the middle. You guys understand exactly what I'm saying. As you are watching the video, you see exactly what's being done. So keep it close. And that's what I mean about white thread. If I had white thread, it would show a little bit more decent. Being that the thread is black, you know, it doesn't look so great, but I just wanted to show you guys how you guys can make the cap smaller. Now, you're gonna see some excess hair coming off. Don't freak out. That's normal because you just cut a good amount of hair out of the middle. So those are excess hair that came from the tracks that you took off from the other side. Now, do you guys notice the track that's hanging? I'm gonna have to stitch that, and you might see a couple tracks that need to be stitched back. You see, I'm parting that area on top to show you guys that if you guys do it properly, you're not gonna experience any bulk on top where the middle part is at. It should be flat. So this was the piece that came up from the middle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.